Alright, Matt, we're back with you know who. So he's kind of in the same stage as Kelsey. He's doing a little bit better, but he's the type that once you go out the gate, you guys probably saw this, he would do pretty good around the house, but once you left the gate, then he forgets everything. I'm just going to give him a little rub there. I've just got my Nick set low. We're still using the methodology of attrition. Not I'm going to, you know, slam dunk him into doing it in one day. I'm going to gradually bring him around to my way of thinking. So, you know, by limiting his options. Good boy. Camo. Camo. Good. So I'm going to use my pager. Heel. Started him on the turn towards. So I'm physically stopping him with the leash and doing the pager concurrent. Heel. Wonderful. 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 And eventually, heel. Good. Just hit my little hand signal like that. Alright, and this down thing. Down. No, 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 no. Good, 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 good. No, 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 no. Wonder, wonder, wonder. Wonder, wonder, wonder. I strongly suggest you learn how to start saying wonder, wonder, wonder. Wonder, wonder, wonder. Zoom in on his face when I'm saying that. Wonder, wonder, wonder. 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 Alright, let's try it one more time. Camo. Good. Heel. Very deliberate about my action right there. I didn't just say heel and just, I let him know you better watch every little heel. Good. Wonder. Wonder. Heel. Alright. Alright, now lower my leash. Down. No. That's what we call dancing me all over the place. Good. Heel. Dances me all over the place. Alright, so this time I'm going to be more. Good. Good. Alright, let's try it one more time. Good. Wonderful. Wonderful. No matter how hard it is to get them to do what you want, when they do it, wonder. No. Down. Good. Yeah. Good. 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 Down. More updates soon.